Gentlemen, ladies, welcome again. Today's goal's to add scoring and money store system. Why? Because I couldn't do it last time. More importantly, because those features are crucial to the game. There must be some scoring system because there will be a money system. And getting money will come from a score, and in the end, a player will be able to buy upgrades for their character. So let's begin. I first added two scripts, Score Manager script and Money Manager script. For now, the Money Manager script was quite easy to make, but the Score Manager was a little pain in the ass. And for a Score Manager script, I needed to do a lot of work outside of the C#, adding text to the user interface and creating new painful stuff. So let me show you how everything works. When the game starts, the player will continue from where he left off, and the money will always save when the player leaves the game. So the player is always secured. But if he presses delete all button, all progress will be gone, even all money collected. The player will obtain wealth from playing the game. After each end of the level, the player will get results. How much money he earned. And even if the player dies, he will still obtain money. Less, but at least it will be something to keep the player playing. The incredible thing is that everything works. But the only problem, for now, is that money is useless. There is nothing to spend money on, and it doesn't have any value for now. In later phases of game development, it will be necessary to develop worth for the money, because it will be a sign of progression and achievement if a player completed the whole game. So I made some changes to the user interface. Added store buttons so we can spend that hard-earned money and let it go to waste. Now it has more sense, but I also found an enormous exploitable bug. If the player dies during the game, he gets more money because I was doing math in integers. I should have done it in floats, but I was lazy. However, I won't go into details because it will take way too much effort to explain why 1 divided by 2 gives 1, and 2 divided by 2 gives 1 as well.
Hey, bro. I'm good.
Bro, you okay?
I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro. I'm good.
Bro.
Bro, get hold me. I'm good, bro.
Bro. Are you crying, bro?
No, bro. I'm good, bro. I swear to God.
So I got rid of all math and clearly destroyed all players' happiness, well-being if a player dies. Because he will get 0 money when he dies. But, let's go back to the user interface and take a look at something. For now, everything works. Store button works, but those things inside, waiting to be unraveled, they do work. But not in a way I want them to. So another bug. So let me demonstrate something. Look at this. Have you noticed that when I purchase stuff it allows me to go in debt? Minus, because of the one little mistake that took me clear 60 minutes of my life to fix. Let me show you the script. This is the script. Anything unusual? Well, maybe for you not, and it was definitely not for me in those 60 minutes, because at the 61st minute, everything clicked to me. I just needed to remove the minus and put plus instead. Why? Well, because and that was a simple solution to my problem. And look at this now. Everything works as desired. I'm just so happy everything works. And I think this would be a basic money system for my game. For now, it's done. But for the future who knows, because right now, and a month from now, it will be fully capable of dealing with everything that is going to stand on its way. Simple, little script. And thanks to God it was simpler than I thought. It can definitely be crazier, but for now, let's hope it stays as it is, so I can focus on building this game.